Dele Farotimi's family has been asked to apologize to Afe Babalola because the man is being misled. Lawyers, not even one lawyer, lawyers. Uh, some lawyers have said that the family of this man should apologize to Afe Babalola because he's being misled. So you're telling us that Dele Farotimi is an ignorant or is ignorant of what he has done. Does he look like somebody that can be misled? Misled how? He's saying his own truth, his own experience is what he's talking about. He says he's being misled to do what? Or are you saying that even he knows that truth, or he has that truth with him, that he shouldn't have said it? Or maybe the manner at which he went about it is what you are calling being misled, or the truth that he said he knows or he has. Meanwhile, the legal representatives of Afe Babalola, founder of Afe Babalola University, stated that embattled human rights lawyer Dele Farotimi will be freed if he substantiates his allegations of judicial corruption against the elder statesman. Addressing a press conference in Ado-Ekiti on Friday, Babalola's lawyer, led by Owoseni Ajayi, a former Attorney General of Ekiti State, alongside Olakanmi Falade and Lawrence Fasomi, responded to public reactions regarding Mr. Farotimi's ongoing defamation trial. Farotimi is accused of making defamatory claims in his book, Nigeria and its Criminal Justice System, alleging that Babalola influenced the Supreme Court to secure fraudulent judgments for his clients. Ajayi clarified that Babalola petitioned the police to investigate the claims and hold Farotimi accountable if he could not prove them. He stated, once Mr. Dele Farotimi can now prove that his assertions in the book are true, then he will be free. The law allows free speech, but not one that is calculated to injure the good reputation of another. The lawyers argued that Farotimi's book was aimed at tarnishing the reputation of their clients and his law firm. They also emphasized the severity of the claims, citing provisions of the Criminal Code Act, which prescribes up to 3 years imprisonment for publishing false information that causes public alarm or damages reputations. Ajayi defended the police actions, describing the arrest and arraignment process as proper and in line with legal procedures. He explains that since the book is accessible in Ekiti, it falls within the jurisdiction of the state courts. He dismissed suggestion that the court denied Farotimi bail, stating the uninformed saying the court denied him bail. There was nothing like that. There is nothing like special. There is nothing special in the case of a Dele Farotimi in that the court cannot ask its lawyers to make their bail application formal. You see, there's nothing wrong in that, but there's something wrong. So there's nothing wrong in what he has said concerning your clients also, because these people they think they are wise. Anything they do is always right, but if others do it, it becomes a problem. Ajayi rejected the notion that Babalola's actions were vindictive, asserting that the senior advocate seeks justice, not vengeance. He urged Farotimi supporters and family to advise him to apologize to Babalola, remarking, those pushing Farotimi are not his friends. By the time they lead him to the dungeon, he will realize they were deceiving him. Let me advise his family members to to apologize to Are. Are Babalola is a builder, not interested in destroying Farotimi. The matter is scheduled for further hearing on December 10th, which is tomorrow, 2024, when Farotimi's bail application will be addressed. Farotimi himself knows more than his friends and family members that you are calling to come and apologize because he was being misled. That is a funny statement, honestly speaking. If any of his family apologizes on his behalf, I know he will disown that family member. None of his family member will even try that. The best thing is for them to meet in court. Hashtag free daily Rosimi, Farotimi now. No apologies for now. Let's meet in court. What do we understand by apologies? Why didn't they suggest apologize before rudely uprooting Farotimi from Lagos to Ado-Ekiti? The wave now in Nigeria, where field lawyers have become activists critiquing and criminalizing court judgments, is very, very worrisome, painful, and shameful as well. So with all the things going on in this country, so you still believe that you believe that the judiciary is still innocent. They play. You are joking. Apologize for what? Or apologies for what? Is this about ego? I mean, is Chief Afebolola's lawyers are suggested to law Farotimi, lawyer Dele Farotimi's family to go and beg Chief Afebalola. Of course, that is what they are saying. The case between Chief Afebalola and his junior lawyer is a delicate issue which can cause terrible divisions between the lawyers. Again, Afebalola now wants Dele Farotimi family to go and beg Baba when both are already in court. How can that be possible? Why Yoruba proverb says, ọlọ́gbọ́n tí ó pa eku asín ògbódò múra ìjà gidi gan ni. So the lost novice are on field watching. No reputation is good until it had been tested. God knows the deed of all men. You cannot make yourself righteous. If it is terrible that our country has gotten to this level. So Mr. Lawyer, Dele already guilty and as charged that you defending your master should make this assertion. I thought in a civilized crime that it is the duty of courts to interrogate him and determine his culpability. That's it. And this offense is bailable, but the judge refused to grant him bail for reasons we all know. So guys, let's say your opinion and have your take on this. Thank you.